Hello. Everyone knows how scary the current day problems on Earth are. Everyone wants to know that there is a solution. I am here now to let you know that there is a solution, that it is provable, and that we can use fundamental advances in science, in the union of all knowledge universally, to solve the scariest problems in world history. Now, all that is required of us is to transmit or distribute this informational advance to the entire human species and catalyze what is called critical mass. It is not a difficult situation in the presence of the internet, YouTube, MySpace, websites, etc., so that the human species can consider it now that we can solve these problems before us. We can provably put the world in the state that we want it to be in. We can ensure the sustainability and the quality of life for the human species, for current day adults, youth, and the unborn. However, it's a simple learning process put before us in which we are allowed to learn the global, unitary, organismic nature of what I call the solar ecosystem. This teaches us that there is a union point between our scientific and religious knowledge, our ancient and our modern knowledge, our scientific and our religious knowledge, Eastern and Western culture, etc., so that cooperative function begins to be possible and probable. It is all that is required of us, essentially, in the end, or ultimately. We have to cooperate to solve these problems, and that is exactly why objective knowledge, or the union of knowledge, is the only possible path to the survival and well-being of the human species. There is no other way to catalyze common ground, common goal, and common movement. That this solves the unfinished work of Albert Einstein and Carl Jung and the Enlightenment thinkers and the early Greeks is secondary to our ability to catalyze synthesis worldwide. And so, I am here now to introduce the subject to you, to let you know that there will be papers available, there will be books available, DVDs on lectures, addresses, and subject talks. I will do everything in my power to make sure that this occurs for the entire human species and that we move into the next age of the global epoch smoothly. All I ask is your time and attention and your ability to learn exactly what is required to make sure of tomorrow for all, now that we can. Thank you very much.